Hello kids, welcome. Do you know who am I? Good. I am your alphabet A. I am your alphabet A. Do you know my sound? Yes, my sound is A. My sound is A. Children, today I am going to meet one of my family member with you all. Can you tell me who can it be? Okay, please wait. Hello A, how are you? I am fine. Now children, please meet with my brother. He is my brother. And do you know who is he? What is his name? His name is N. His name is N. Can you tell me his sound? What sound he makes? Yes, his sound is N. His sound is N. So, we are an and family. We are an and family. My sound is A. My sound is A. And my sound is N. My sound is N. We are an family. We are an family. We are an family. An. Now children, we are going to meet with some other alphabets so that we can make new words. For making new words, can you help me? Okay, now let me give you some clue so that you can understand that what word can we make. Okay, it is an alphabet that sounds F. F. Can you guess who can it be? Very good. It's F. It's F. So we became F-an. F-an fan. F-an fan. Now tell me children, what is the meaning of fan? Good. So this is the picture of fan. This is the picture of a fan. And this fan helps us to keep cool in this hot summer season. Now, let us meet with another alphabet. Can you guess who can it be? Okay, please meet with him. Can you tell me who is he? Yes, you are right. He is M. He is M. And his sound is M. His sound is M. So, M and a man. M and a man. Now tell me the meaning of man. Good. Now let me show you the picture of man. So this is the picture of a man. M and a man. M and a man. Now tell me, what alphabet should I keep in my front to make a new word? Okay, let me help you. It sounds K. It sounds K. Can you guess? Good. It's C. It's C. K and a can. K and a can. Now all of you look at the picture of can. So So this is a picture of can. This is a can. Now children, what other words we can make? Can you think and say? Okay, it sounds V. It sounds V. So which alphabet it can be? Yes, you are right. It's V. It's V. V and a van. V and a van. Do you know the meaning of van? Yes, it helps us to take or it helps us to move from one place to another. It helps us to move from one place to another. So children, this is the picture of a van. This is the picture of a van. V and a van. V and a van. Now can you tell me what other alphabet we can keep to make a new word? Okay, let me help you. It sounds P. It sounds P. Yes, you are right. It's P. It's P. Now we became P and pan. P and pan. P and pan. Now children, tell me the meaning of pan. Good. So this is the picture of pan and we cook food in this pan. Our mama cooks tasty food in this pan. And a pan. Now children, let us recall the words that we made today. First, F. F and a fan. F and a fan. Next is M. M and a man. M and a man. Then the next one is V. V and a van. V and a van. Next one, K. K and a can. K and a can. And the last one is P. P and a pan. P and a pan. Dear children, hope you have enjoyed my family story. Now children, please take out your copy. At the top corner, write today's date. And in the first line, write the heading A sound. Please follow how I have written it in my copy. In the next line, write an words. Then write the words which we have learned today. Number 1 is F and a fan. Here the beginning sound is F, the middle sound is A and the ending sound is N. So it became F and a fan. Next number 2. It's M and a man. The beginning sound is M, the middle sound is A and the ending sound is N. So it became M and a man. Next number 3. The beginning sound is K, the middle sound is A and the ending sound is N. So it became K and a can. In the fourth picture, number 4, the beginning sound is V, the middle sound is A and the ending sound is N. V and a van. Now number 5, the beginning sound is P, the middle sound is A and the ending sound is N. So it became P and a pan. P and a pan. So children, please note it down in your copy. Try to keep your copy neat and clean and draw the pictures and color those. Okay? So this is all for today. Bye bye. See you in the next video.